Okay, so what we've got here is the God of War Ascension Legacy Bundle PlayStation 3. Now you might have seen when I was unboxing it, I had some games that came with it. Grand Theft Auto 5 is one of them. We got Aliens Colonial Marines. So, we have God of War Saga, which includes God of War 2, and God of War 3. And there's a voucher for the PSP games, and the voucher no longer is valid because it expired in 2013. Then there's God of War Ascension. Comes in a little envelope here like the other ones did. This one's a little damaged here, but there's the disc for it right there. So that's 4 God of War games. Then I've got Splinter Cell Blacklist and Gran Turismo 5. Now you might have noticed also I have a red DualShock that was not in the box, and this is supposed to come with 2 red DualShocks. So looks like this one needs to be cleaned quite a bit. It's quite disgusting there, but that's okay. As long as it works, it can be cleaned. So let's get in the box here. In case you're not familiar, or in case you didn't catch it, it is a 500 gig PlayStation 3. So it has been opened here. They didn't use a knife, unfortunately. So let's get this out of the box here. And here we go. PlayStation 3, just a regular PlayStation box. Let's get this open here. And let's see what we have inside here. We have the other red DualShock, and they're slightly different colored here. You can barely make it out. One's a little more red, and this is a little more muted red. Again, both of them need a good cleaning. Alright, this is interesting. You've got a mini USB on one side, and that plugs into here, where you have 2 USB ports, and then the other end plugs into a wall outlet. So I would assume, I guess, that's just for the controllers to charge them. So that's interesting. This is the actual plug for the PlayStation itself. Here's an HDMI cord, which I will probably be replacing. And here we go. Here's the PlayStation itself. And it does come with some documentation. And let's see here. So it looks to be in excellent condition. Let's just close it up here. There are really no scratches on it, maybe some slight surface scratches, but excellent condition. So it will have to be dusted off a little bit, which is not a problem. You got your PlayStation logo up front here. Of course, this is the power button here. This is the eject button. You have your PlayStation you have your PlayStation logo here in a silver color. You have this ribbing here, and this is all red again, as you can tell. On the bottom, or what could be considered the left-hand side of the console, you have your PlayStation branding there. This is the top or the right-hand side. Now down here you have 2 USB ports, and you have some of the logos down here. You have the Blu-ray disc, DVD, compact disc, Dolby True HD, Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD, Bluetooth, and HDMI. This is the hard drive light here. On the back of the console, still has some black parts here. You have the Ethernet port, the HDMI, the optical audio out, the AV multi-out, and then the power port right there. On the bottom there are 4 rubberized feet, and then this little guy here is rubber, but it's not a foot, it's just to cover up a screw hole. And apparently this one has never been opened up, because there's a screw hole right behind here, And that's always a good sign. You don't want these things tampered with. So I will have to clean this up a bit. I never expected this thing to come in there, which is again the charger. Plug that into the DualShock 3, and it has 2 ports on there. So all I need is another cord to plug the other one in if I ever want to plug them in at the same time. So that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. If you like what you see, please subscribe. And as always, if you want to help out my channel, give me a thumbs up. You can favorite this video, you can share this video, or you could actually join my Patreon, all of which is greatly appreciated. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.